You've stretched, cut, and nailed your turf. Now it's time for the step that brings your lawn to life, adding infill and power brooming. Infill helps your blades stand upright, keeps the surface cool, and adds weight for long-lasting stability. There are 3 main types of infill commonly used in artificial turf installations. Each one works a little differently depending on your needs. Number 1, silica sand. The most common and cost-effective option. It's affordable, easy to find, and adds weight and stability to your turf. However, silica sand produces fine dust, so always wear a mask and gloves when handling it, and avoid breathing in the dust. Number 2, premium green sand. A higher-end option that's naturally colored, bacteria-resistant, and free from silica and PFAs. It's pet-friendly, improves drainage, and gives your turf a natural finished look. Number 3, zeolite pet odor infill. Perfect for homes with pets. It helps control odor and can cool the surface temperature by up to 30 degrees. It's safe for pets and people, and it keeps your lawn feeling fresh. Different turf styles require different amounts of infill. Festival turf products typically use between 1 and 3 pounds per square foot, depending on blade height, density, and application. Always refer to the product label or your local store for exact recommendations. Once you've chosen your infill, it's time to spread it evenly across your turf. Use a drop spreader to distribute it, just like mowing a lawn. Go back and forth horizontally, then again vertically for complete coverage. It's essential to use more infill than you think you need. At first, it may look like a lot sitting on top of the grass, but that's exactly what you want. Once you power broom, the infill will settle into the backing and help every blade stand tall for that fresh, natural look. Maybe not that much. After applying the infill, it's time to power broom. This lifts the blades upright, works the infill deep into the backing, and evens out the surface. Always broom against the grain in smooth, overlapping passes. You'll see your turf transform from flat to full in just a few minutes. If you don't have access to a power broom, a stiff bristle push broom works too. It just takes a little more time and elbow grease to get the same result. Once your infill is evenly distributed and your blades are standing tall, your turf should look lush, even, and full of life. In our next video, we'll finish things off with the final touches, watering, brushing, and simple maintenance tips to keep your lawn looking this good for years to come.